Make a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.